Calcasieu Parish and Waste Management Incorporated have a few informational tips and guidelines for garbage collection and disposal. First, let's look at which residents qualify for the services provided by the contract between the police jury and Waste Management. Currently, all residents in the unincorporated areas of Wards 2 through 8 are eligible. This service is being funded by a surplus from a 1/2 cent sales tax that was passed in 1993. Residents in Ward 1, which is the Moss Bluff area, may contract with any waste collection company doing business in the parish. To qualify as a resident, you must have permanent water and electrical connections to the dwelling, as well as an assigned 911 address. To ensure quality service, Waste Management asks that residents sort out waste accordingly. Garbage should be placed in roll-out containers provided by Waste Management and is considered to be normal household waste, such as wrapping and packaging materials, organic waste from food preparation, glass, plastic containers, and other such items. Trash is considered to be items that are too large or bulky to fit in the container. This includes yard waste that should be bagged, boxed, or containerized and should be placed at the roadside for collection. On routine routes, Waste Management will not provide services at unoccupied residences or vacant lots, nor pick up lot-clearing debris such as trees, construction or demolition debris, hazardous material, concrete, bricks, roofing, paint, batteries, oil, or explosives. For efficient and improved services, Waste Management offers these tips. Have your container at the roadside by 5 a.m. on the day of your collection. Make sure your lid is completely shut to keep animals and rainwater out. Do not overload the container. If you find yourself with extra garbage on a regular basis, an additional container may be purchased. Once your garbage is emptied, remove the container from the roadside and place it in a safe location. Since containers are assigned to specific households, containers must not be taken when a resident moves. In the event that a container is missing, you will need to notify the Sheriff's Office at 491-3700. At that point, they will issue you a claim number. Your first lost container will be replaced with this claim number. Thereafter, you will be required to purchase a replacement container. For items not picked up on regular routes, such as the ones mentioned earlier, there are options for the residents of Calcasieu Parish. To get rid of used oil, try your local oil change services. Instalube and Don's Quick Lube will accept a maximum of 5 gallons. When your vehicle battery needs replacing, trade in your old one, since most places will give you a rebate on your new one. Another option for getting rid of batteries is to sell them. Several local companies that buy batteries include Safety Brake Sales, Wholesale Batteries, and Aluminum Recycling. When buying new tires, have the dealer dispose of your old ones. Used tires can also be brought to the Calcasieu Parish East or West maintenance facilities to be disposed of at no cost. There is a limit of 5 tires per load at these sites. To discard an appliance, you can call Waste Management at 436-7229 to schedule an appointment for pickup. However, the appliance must not contain Freon. Appliances without Freon as well as scrap metal are accepted at CalCam Recycling and Southern Scrap Express Recycling. When getting rid of furniture, Waste Management will pick up small amounts on regular trash routes. However, large amounts of cast-off furniture or unusually frequent disposal of furnishings will not be picked up. Your local Goodwill and Salvation Army will accept usable items for donation. For the removal of construction and demolition material, first try negotiating with your contractors. Specify that they will be responsible for removing all waste from the site. Another option is to take the construction debris to one of several permitted construction landfills in the parish. And while Waste Management won't pick up construction debris on regular routes, for a fee, arrangements can be made to remove debris from a construction site. When clearing lots, ensure that contractors are responsible for the removal of all debris after cutting and clearing operations. And once again, Waste Management can, for a fee, dispose of large amounts of lot clearing debris. Construction landfills also accept lot clearing material. For discarding yard waste, leaves should be bagged and tree and shrub clippings should be bundled. Tree limb bundles should be no longer than 6 feet and no wider than 4 inches and should be placed near the road for pickup. Residents are also urged to compost yard waste. Composting information can be obtained through the Police Jury's Department of Solid Waste at 721-3700. For more information on these services, visit the parish website at www.cppj.net and click on the link for the Department of Solid Waste.